Hey there, YouTube creators! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting tutorial for you. Have you ever wondered how to create multiple YouTube channels using just one Gmail account? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to do just that. So, let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and go to Gmail. Sign into your Gmail account if you aren't already logged in.
Now, click on the Apps icon in the upper right corner of your Gmail account, and then select YouTube. In YouTube, click on your user profile icon in the upper right corner and choose YouTube Studio. Next, click on Other Features in the left sidebar. Then, click on Create Channel. Here, you can name your new channel. Once you're done, click Create to create more channels using the same Gmail account. Simply repeat steps 4 and 5. You can create as many channels as you need for your various content. And that's it. You've just learned how to create multiple YouTube channels with just one Gmail account. It's a handy feature for content creators who want to manage multiple channels without the hassle of multiple email accounts.